After recovering the first truck, the team discovered that the other stuck vehicle was a bit more challenging. As the rain continued to fall, the team from 775 Offroad and Recovery had to race to beat the rising lake to recover the last vehicle. Are you gonna pull it backwards?
No, we'll winch this one.
Got it.
There's no room to work.
You're gonna use your Jeep to winch?
So we use my Jeep. Who else has a big winch?
The Tacoma's got a 12 for 16.
Yeah. Whoever has a 10 or 12K.
The Tacoma's got one.
And then if we could,
I think Alex, how big's your winch?
She needs a connector. I got the pull pal in the truck.
ooh, yes. All we need is, a little bit of an anchor. And if
For a change of direction?
Huh?
For a change of direction?
No, because when my Jeep only weighs 4,500 pounds, and so when we start winching on that, it's going to try to drag it. So we want to anchor the Jeep to something.
The Tacoma up here.
I say bring
Tacoma's probably a little heavier.
Well,
Yeah,
we don't want the big rigs. We don't want the.
So little Tacoma or
So,
the little
How
Tacoma.
heavy is your Tacoma?
Similar, I think, 45.
Yeah, no, I think it's perfect. So we'll get the light rigs in here, and then if we have to, and then we'll do two snatch blocks to it.
If you got two right here, I think you'd be good.
Anchored separately, so it's divided across four. That gives us, 18,000 pounds of pulling on that thing.
And then we could work in the. I mean, if that's not enough, we'll grab a pull
and
pal
if
and
that
we'll
doesn't
throw that
work,
in there.
we'll drop the pull power over there,
Yeah.
and then just anchor whatever rig is sliding off of that.
Okay.
You like that?
Yeah.
Pull pal's a land anchor?
Yeah.
Trigger out.
Hey, right there.
Ish. It's does someone have an extension?
He could probably pull forward. That's all you got.
That's all we got?
Yeah.
Okay, pull forward then.
Yeah.
We got the Rhino USA gear right here.
Yep.
Right there's good. Vehicle one, go ahead and back up. Tacoma, back up. All right, hold. Line tension is in the lines.
All right, let's get back over there.
have the Tacoma winching, the Jeep winching, we have the Jeep XJ as an anchor for the Jeep, the lighter Jeep.
Can I get it almost flat? We're not ready for the slingshot.
Hold on. There we go. I could just free spool and back, and we can back up.
As the team continued to winch the truck out, they found themselves digging deeper and deeper into the mud. Got a Tacoma out here, pretty sweet rig. Use what you got.
Oh, good.
With the vehicle digging deeper and deeper into the soft mud, the team deployed ramps. Using the Toyota's winch, they pulled the F-150 on top of the soft ground.
Oh yeah, baby. Here it comes.
Need to get some mud tires.
He's doing pretty good.
All right, your winch line's free, sir.
With the F-150 on firmer ground, the Toyota Tacoma attached a kinetic line for a pullout. But as the Toyota will find out, the mud here is relentless and won't give up Ford easily. We got to keep repositioning to miss all these puddles and lakes. With the Toyota's final pull and the mud sucking both vehicles in, the team decides to attach a kinetic rope to the front of the Toyota and use a Jeep to conduct a double slingshot and pull both vehicles out.
They're gonna get Nick's brackets out for the third time. So I don't think you want to go that way.
I want to go right to the left of your truck, or right to the right of your truck.
My truck's way up there.
Nice pull, guys.
You did it.
Feeling good?
Feeling very good. Thank
Happy
you
to be
very
out?
much. Yes. Like I don't even have the words to express right now.
Awesome.
That was amazing.
Probably a fun little ride out, huh?
Not too bad.
I will. I got
I bet
there
you feel a
early,
lot
but
better
I
now,
feel
huh?
like you have no idea. I've had anxiety for like 3 days going, how am I going to get my truck out? How am I going to go to work? Like, they come on me to have four-wheel drive to get to work, and it's sitting in a lake.
Part of what we do with our membership is we teach folks how to get themselves out of situations like you were in, or prevent getting in those situations and seeing the signs. You know, there's lots of tools available just that you can easily carry with you and make a difference. So, but where you were at, that was a job. So, a self-recovery was not expected there by any means.
Airing down always helps.
I was trying so hard.
No, you're good.
With the Ford F150 out of the mud and on solid ground, it's time for the team to get off the lake bed, grab some coffee, clean the gear, and prepare for the next recovery. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and follow for more videos. If you'd like to learn more about 775 Off-Road and Recovery and the great things this nonprofit does for the off-roading community, please visit 775ofr.com. If you can throw a few donations our way, this helps recoup some of the cost for our volunteer recovery personnel.